Hello everyone! क्या आपने कभी सोचा है, really thought about it, कि plants grow कैसे करते हैं? Does it always have to start with a tiny seed? Get ready because we're about to uncover some totally amazing secrets of the plant world. Let's go! Okay, so let's start with a really big question. A real mystery. Can a plant grow without a seed? What do you think? Is that even possible? Well, don't worry, we're going to find out the answer together, right here. Let's put on our detective hats and investigate.
All right, first things first, let's talk about a plant's life story. You know, just like you and me, or a puppy or a kitten, plants are living things. और इसका मतलब है कि उनकी भी एक अपनी special life cycle होती है. So let's see how that journey usually starts.
So, for most plants out there, their whole big life story starts in a very small way. Zyadatar plants, they start their life as just a teeny tiny seed. Yep, that's their starting line right there.
And wow, what a journey it is. So check this out. It all starts when that tiny seed gets planted in the nice, cozy soil. Pir, it pops out and becomes a little baby plant. We call that a seedling. So cute. Then it gets bigger and stronger and turns into a grown-up adult plant. And a pir, the best part, it gives us yummy, delicious fruit. So, can you think of any big, famous plants that grow this way? Come on, soch kar batao. I bet you can. That's right. Like our favorite juicy mango trees. Or those awesome apple plants. Ye sab ke sab, they grow from seeds.
Okay, you ready for this? Ab waqt aa gaya hai to solve that big mystery we talked about at the start. Remember? We're going to look at a super cool, almost magical shortcut some plants use to grow. And guess what? It involves NO seeds at all. Okay, so here it is, the big secret. Turns out there are actually two main ways for plants to grow. The first way, we already know, right? From seeds, like our mangoes and apples. But, and this is the cool part, some special plants, like beautiful, fragrant roses, can grow a whole new way, directly from their stems. No seed needed. And this awesome magical process has a special science name. It's called grafting. Say it with me, grafting. So grafting is basically when we take a little piece of a plant stem, just a little cutting, and we use that to grow a whole new plant. Bilkul, no seeds required. Isn't that just the coolest thing? So which plants are in this special club? Which ones use this amazing shortcut? Well, you've got your beautiful rose plants and also fresh mint plants, pudina. Both of these can be grown using grafting. Seriously, आप बस इनकी stem काट कर लगा दो and poof, a whole new plant starts to grow. And hey, don't just take my word for it. Look at this. This is a real-life example of how it all works. इस picture में आप साफ-साफ देख सकते हैं how a rose plant can be grown through grafting. It's amazing, right? Just look at how a simple piece of a stem can slowly turn into a gorgeous flowering plant.
All right, you guys have been amazing listeners. You've learned so much, so I think it's time for a little pop quiz to see what you remember. Are you ready to play? Let's do it. Okay, here comes question number 1. Are you listening closely? What do most plants start their life as? Is it A, a fruit, B, a seed, C, a flower, or D, a leaf? Think about it. And the correct answer is, drumroll please, B, a seed. Yes, bilkul sahi. Most plants start out as just a tiny little seed. Great job if you got that one. All right, on to question 2. Which of these plants can grow through grafting? Is it A, sunflower, B, rose, C, mango, or D, apple? Now, remember those special examples we talked about? Did you figure it out? The answer is B, rose. Absolutely. We saw how those beautiful roses can grow from just a stem. Fantastic work. Last multiple choice question for you. What do we call it when a plant grows from a stem instead of a seed? Is it A, hatching, B, grafting, C, floating, or D, flying? This was our big new word for today. And the correct answer is, you got it, B, grafting. Shabash. That's our magical shortcut. You guys are rocking this quiz. Okay, one last question. This one is fill in the blank. Ready? Here we go. Grafting is a method in which plants are grown from their own what? What's the missing word? The missing word is stems. That's right. They grow from their own stems. You all did an absolutely fantastic job on the quiz. Give yourselves a pat on the back. You are now official plant experts. And just like that, we're at the end of our little plant adventure today. But I want to leave you with a challenge, a final thought to keep you wondering. We learned about roses and mint, right? But I bet there are other plants out there that can be grown by grafting. So I want you to look around, apne ghar mein ya bahar garden mein, and see what you can find out. Never stop exploring and always, always stay curious. See you next time.